How to add educators and assign them to groups. In the left-hand menu, click on Teachers, then Teachers Forms. This section allows you to add a staff member, view the list of educators, and manage their information. To add an educator, click on Add an Teacher, complete the required information in the form, and at the end, select the group to which the educator will be assigned, then click Submit. Once created, you can edit all the educators' information except for the first name, last name, and date of birth, change their assigned group, or delete the educator if necessary. If your childcare center does not require multiple staff members, adding educators is not mandatory. When an educator is added, a DayKidz account is automatically created. An email will be sent to the educator to activate their access.